Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading you a poem called A Building Block from the book 55 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Girard. A building block. For every challenge we face, there's a greater reward on the other side if we're steadfast despite the storm. The reward appears when we persevere despite the adversity and we smile at its intensity. Then our challenge becomes a building block for a brighter tomorrow. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. I believe that whenever something you think might be bad that happens to you, I believe when something bad, there's something twice as good gonna happen for you. Maybe that's just because I'm so positive now. That's just the way I look at everything. I believe when you lose, say if you lose $5, I believe you'll get 10 back. I believe in positivity and I believe in love. I love this poem. It's amazing. And it's so true. I believe if you follow love, you'll always be happy. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.